Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Meta. We initially shared our report on our website on Monday, November 27, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. We highly recommend that you subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest analysis. It's crucial to keep yourself informed about any developments that could potentially impact your investments. To make even better trading decisions, we've recently launched an exciting tool called the AI Stock Analysis Tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, you can now access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. However, it's important to note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 7, 2023, our system has ranked Meta as a buy candidate with a score of 1.44. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 4.98%. This means that, on average, it has returned 0.36% per day since being identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the middle of a strong rising trend in the short term, and there are indications of further growth within this trend. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential 11.94% change expected over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 0.561% and 15.92%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 169.47% change anticipated over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 147.95% and 199.07%. This suggests a price range of $829.89 to $1,001 after a year. Here's the latest update on Meta. The stock price decreased by 1.04% on Monday. On the last trading day, which was Monday, November 27, 2023, the Meta stock price dropped from $338.23 to $334.70, marking a decrease of 1.04%. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $334.20 and a high of $339.90, with a fluctuation rate of 1.71%. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances and has shown an overall increase of 1.8% in the past 2 weeks. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 9 million on the last day, the prices were falling. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $4.86 billion worth of Meta shares were bought and sold, amounting to 15 million shares. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Meta stock was $342.92, while the lowest price was $108.38. Currently, the price is 2.4% below the 52-week high, which amounts to $8.22, and 12.91% below the all-time high. The all-time high was reached on September 1, 2021, with a price of $384.33. Analyst ratings for Meta. According to reports on Monday, November 20, 2023, B. Riley Securities gave Meta a neutral grade with a hold action. Also on Monday, November 20, 2023, Wedbush rated Meta as outperform with a hold action. Furthermore, Wells Fargo gave Meta an equal weight grade with a hold action on the same day, Monday, November 20, 2023. Moving back to Thursday, October 26, 2023, Goldman Sachs provided a buy grade for Meta, also with a hold action. Additionally, on Thursday, October 26, 2023, KeyBank gave Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Meta stock a general rating of buy. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we will discuss the signals for Meta stock. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal for Meta stock, but the long-term average shows a buy signal. Since the short-term average is higher than the long-term average, we have a general buy signal, which gives a positive forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance around $337.23 from the short-term moving average. On the downside, the long-term average at approximately $320.15 will provide some support. A break above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a break below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also gives a buy signal. However, there are some negative signals that may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, resulting in a 1.99% decline so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume increased during the price decline, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently giving a buy signal. Another indicator to consider is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 3 days ago. The Bollinger Bands also provided a buy signal 9 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, it gave a sell signal 2 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average gave a buy signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 215 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. When it comes to the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level at $298.67 and $297.74. It's important to note that there is always a certain level of risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In the case of Meta, the next support levels would be at $298.67, followed by $297.74 and $288.35. It's worth mentioning that Meta has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Looking at the previous day, the stock moved $5.70 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 1.71% of its value. Over the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.59%. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore potential trading levels for Meta. One crucial piece of information is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Meta's P/E ratio falls within the range typically seen in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 7, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $4.75. It's important to monitor these numbers closely as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Meta. If Meta experiences an upward trend, its first resistance level can be found at $335.04. If you're not currently holding any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $298.67. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Meta is buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider activity involves Zuckerberg Mark, who has both bought and sold a total of 10,080 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -46.094. In the past 100 trades, insiders have purchased 67,436 shares and sold 184,675 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $323.67, which reflects a decrease of 3.3%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 2 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, we believe that there is a buying opportunity for Meta stock in the near future. Our analysis shows that the current price of Meta stock is undervalued, considering its volatility and recent movements in the market. For trading on Tuesday, November 28, we expect Meta stock to open up at $336.27, with an increase of $1.57 from the previous close. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a significant risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our stock analysis. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.